Hello and how are you? Let's see. How can we make a new folder in our C directly or in a directly using Python? So it is very simple and easy. All you got to need is just to install Python from the Microsoft Store or from the online version, then just create a new version, then install an IDE. I prefer to use PyCharm, especially for Python, but you can use Visual Studio Code, which is the best in other language or Atom. You will open my IDE, which is PyCharm. So this is my PyCharm, and I will just go here and just go here. Then let's put this and open it. So I will just bring it back to my other screen, which here, and just move until it is opening. And like you can see, it is currently, so we will need to right click and make a new Python file. I'll just call it main. Okay, then the library we will be making is called, we will be using is called OS. So OS should be reinstalled with Python and Windows, but if you don't have it, you can just say pip install OS and it will OS OS, but because it is a built-in, so then you can't install it, I think. Or it will be how to import the OS. So it is very easy. You will type import then just OS, which will import our OS. Then we will make a def called make underscore dir. Okay, this is a function. Sorry, we won't be using this. And inside of it, we will pass it for now. Okay, so pass means nothing will happen in it. Then here I will just say yeah, and we have to pass an argument called text, okay? Or the all name, so name. Then we want to have an entry, so we will say name equal to entry, okay? And entry is just string. So sorry, it is put sorry, and but before it print, I will print name. Okay. So I will just put it here so it prints it correctly. Okay, so then I will call make dir. And inside the name, the diameter we will call the name dot get, which will say to get the value. Okay, so let's try it. So it will ask us for our name. I can type like name and little, but get is not working, so we don't need get. So I will call it here name. I will just call it new folder. Like you can see, it's special things and little, but didn't do anything with it. So we will need to print it out. So I will print a cool thing, for example. I will print out text, and there will be a val called text. So here, text equal to making a new folder, then plus name plus this just a print out. Okay, so let's just see if it's works. So name, we'll just say new folder, deleted, making a new folder name, new folder. So learn new folder deleted, but this just the print out. Now is the time to use the OS library. Okay, so how to use it? So let's just go here and say OS dot make dir. Okay, and the name for it will be plus the parameter name. And let's just see if there's anything. So folder, for example, and deleted it. Make it like you can see when you go back and open the new folder, you can see a new folder is created automatically and called folder, which we enter. Okay, and when I learn it again, I will just make a name. So, name to tutorials. Little. It made a new folder called tutorials, and this is how you can make an easy input and easy thing that makes folder. And this is just a simple one. It could be in a big project using any library, and this is just the code. But if you will use TK Intel, you have to use the get because they don't have input. They have address. So you will have to use get this. And this is all of it. And I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe for more.